Go back thousands of years, and you find yourself in a land where the borders between reality and legend blur, a world where magic seems just as plausible as science. As we embark on a journey to explore the remarkable land of Egypt, we're about to uncover some of the most astonishing discoveries of recent times. Our adventure begins with an extraordinary find, a tunnel that could lead to the long-lost tomb of the illustrious Queen Cleopatra. Imagine a tunnel over 1,300 meters in length, reminiscent of the Greek tunnel of Jubilinus. The mere thought of descending into this newly discovered passageway is enough to send shivers down your spine. It's a journey that could rewrite history. Wonders takes us to the captivating beauty of Nefertiti. This remarkable lady, known for supporting her husband's reforms, has left an indelible mark on history. Her sculptural portrait, discovered in 1912 in the ancient city of Akhetitan, stands as a testament to the artistry of ancient Egypt. What's truly astonishing is its exceptional preservation, with its original layer of paint still intact. One can't help but wonder why it lacks the common broken nose found in many ancient statues, a mystery that adds to its allure. In 2020, Egyptian scientists stumbled upon an enigma, a collection of coffins unlike any other. Painted in vibrant colors and adorned with unique designs, these two 500-year-old burials hint at the desire of a particular tribe to express their individuality. These coffins tell a story of a time long past, where every detail held significance. Our journey takes us to the vast necropolis of Saqqara, where a treasure trove awaited discovery. Hundreds of ancient coffins and 46 golden statues lay hidden beneath the desert sands. Some tombs even revealed mummies, providing a glimpse into the lives of the aristocracy during the Greco-Roman period. It's a testament to the richness of Egypt's history waiting to be unveiled. Our exploration wouldn't be complete without a visit to the crocodile tomb of Sobek, the god of water. This unique burial chamber, unlike any other, houses only mummified crocodiles. These sacred creatures were revered for their role in protecting the Nile and warding off dark forces. It's a testament to the rich tapestry of beliefs that define ancient Egyptian culture. As we delve deeper into Egypt's history, we encounter the Ushapti, small funerary figurines that held a crucial role in the afterlife. These miniature sculptures, placed in tombs, were believed to spare individuals from labor obligations in the realm of Osiris. They served as a message and gift to the god, ensuring a more favorable fate in the afterlife. In more recent news, archaeologists have unearthed a 16-meter-long papyrus containing passages from the Book of the Dead. This ancient document, over 2,000 years old, was discovered in a tomb south of the stepped pyramid of Jose in Saqqara. The meticulous conservation work has concluded, and scholars are now diligently translating the text, promising insights into the afterlife beliefs of the ancient Egyptians. Our journey takes an unexpected turn as we delve into the world of ancient board games. Meet Senet, an intriguing game that reflects the inner world and mentality of the ancients. Its simple rules, similar to backgammon, involve an elongated board with 30 squares and pieces of different shapes. But what truly sets Senet apart is the symbolism of its final steps, marked with hieroglyphs representing dangers and temptations on the journey to Osiris's judgment. Ramses II, a renowned pharaoh, embarked on a remarkable journey even after his death. His tomb, once looted, led priests to move his mummy to various locations. The tale of his mummy's journey and eventual rediscovery in 1881 adds another layer of intrigue to Egypt's history. Egypt not only astounds with its archaeological finds, but also with its unique landscapes. The White Desert, a small area in the eastern Sahara, captivates with its limestone formations and surreal landscapes. Nearby lies the Black Desert, a stark contrast with its black volcanic sands. These natural wonders showcase Egypt's diverse beauty. Ever hear of the Tomb of Osiris? This isn't your ordinary archaeological site. It's an Indiana Jones movie set come to life. Sealed chambers, traps, and a figure of Osiris himself make it a living, breathing myth within a mystery. The Tomb of Osiris, once a local myth, has been brought to life by archaeologists. This structure, resembling the Assyrian sanctuary, holds a sculpture of the deity Osiris and a series of underground chambers laden with traps for treasure seekers. Its significance adds a new layer to Egypt's rich history. The Great Sphinx is the epitome of an ancient wonder, but did you ever notice it's missing something crucial? A nose. The Great Sphinx, one of the world's oldest monuments, harbors a mystery that has baffled researchers for centuries: the deliberate breaking of its nose. The reason behind this act remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in history. Who did it and why? Feel free to share your theories in the comments. Our journey takes a scientific turn as we explore a phenomenon that defies explanation. In the Great Sand Sea, crystals formed in the desert sand, raising temperatures to over 3,300 degrees Fahrenheit and transforming it into glass. These sheets of solid glass, with their distinctive yellow-green hue, remain a mystery that continues to baffle geologists worldwide. The Great Library of Alexandria, a repository of over 700,000 volumes, held the oldest secrets of past civilizations. Its destruction, orchestrated by Julius Caesar, deprived humanity of untold knowledge. Could the secrets contained within have unlocked the mysteries of the pyramids and revealed more about our ancient past? Our journey continues in the Bahariya Oasis, home to the Valley of the Golden Mummies. This funerary catacomb, used during the Greco-Roman period, contains thousands of golden mummies, each with its unique story. It's a reminder of Egypt's rich and captivating history. Within these hidden chambers, ancient drawings, letters, and seals are a common sight. However, the true treasures are found exclusively on papyrus. This fragile material has preserved the thoughts, dreams, and knowledge of a civilization that thrived millennia ago. Our journey takes a step back in time to one of the most famous discoveries in Egypt's history. When King Tut's tomb was discovered in 1922, the world held its breath. This remarkable find led to the revelation of a massive golden shrine, a quartzite sarcophagus, and the exquisite golden coffin of the young pharaoh. The golden mask, adorned with expressive dark blue and obsidian eyes, remains an iconic image of Egypt's past. The Rosetta Stone is a part of an old stone slab that has important writing on it. This writing talks about a special religious rule made by King Ptolemy V Epiphanes of Egypt. What's really special about the stone is that it has the same writing in 3 different scripts: Ancient Greek, Ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs, those picture-like symbols, and Demotic script, another form of ancient Egyptian writing. Finding this stone during Napoleon Bonaparte's time in Egypt in 1799 was a big deal because it helped experts understand the secrets of ancient Egyptian writing. A few years ago, a remarkable discovery unfolded within the Great Pyramid of Giza, a secret chamber that had long remained hidden. This chamber was revealed when the sandy floor gave way during a visit to the pyramid. Within, researchers found several containers holding scrolls, their contents still sealed to prevent damage. The mystery surrounding these ancient scrolls adds yet another layer of intrigue to the Great Pyramid. A massive black granite sarcophagus was discovered in Alexandria, Egypt during archaeological excavations. Its unusual shape and careful sealing raised concerns among the public. Fears of plague, viruses, and ancestral curses circulated. Upon opening, it revealed a reddish-brown sludge, along with bones. The origin and purpose of the liquid remain a mystery. So, what do you think? Did the ancients possess knowledge lost to us? Was the Sphinx's nose a casualty of iconoclasm or just a construction mishap? We'd love to hear your theories, so don't hesitate to share them in the comments below.